I keep seeing the misconception that these old players, the old victrolas, can play the vinyl records or any type of modern record format, which is an absolute lie, and I'll show you exactly why. They can only play those old 78 records, which are made out of shellac. They can only play records that look like that, and they're only one song per side. It's like trying to play a cassette tape and a CD player. It ain't gonna work. And I'll show you why. It will shred this record to pieces. And this is a record that is not worth anything. And it's scratched to shit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this destruction process. You're gonna notice it plays extremely too fast too. Then I'll take this off, and you can see the carnage that it has done to the grooves. I don't know if you can see that. Look how shredded up those grooves are now. And now, for instance, to show you that it's not the player itself, you get an old 78. And then, again, with the 45 or vinyl record, which aren't meant to be played on the air. Yep. That's just my 2 cents for today. And there, it's absolutely shredded.